Guys, and welcome back. Kingsley. In this video, we are just going to be doing a quick analysis on the BTC movement. Yeah, if you could remember my analysis a few weeks back, I mentioned that price are supposed to drop, at least break this area of support, break this support level. But if currently price has held this area of a support and it's seeming like there's going to be a reversal. In fact, the reversal is already showing. Aside that, let me quickly give you a recap on what I analyzed the last time. So if you take a look, we have the first top around here, we have the second top somewhere around here, because price was in an uptrend from here up to this place. So let me quickly do that. Price moved from here up to this place, you get. Let me make it 3. Let me change the color to black. Yeah, so price moved from there, and then let me clone it. We kind of dropped to a level of support, and let me clone it again. Kind of dropped to a level of support and then up again to the level of resistance. Now this level of resistance gave us the second top. Yeah, this level of resistance here gave us the second top, while this one gave us the first top. So I'm going to quickly point it out with circle 2. I'm going to point it out with the circle 2, and let me clone it for the second one like this. Now what happened next was price dropped. Let me clone this one. Like this. Yeah, sorry about that. Now what I expect price to do is to actually break this place. I expected price to break this place. Now if you take a look at this pattern, it's actually a double top. It's an M shape, that which if the neckline breaks, price is going to continue to drop to the major support level. That's my view, and that's why I extended it to 2024. You guys expected the price to drop to around 15,000 by early 2024, but it's looking like it's not going to happen for now, because this support level this area has held strongly, and it's kind of trying to validate this double top that's formed. And the only way we can say that this double top is confirmed is if any candle can at least, maybe next week candle, will get a strong sell that will close below like this. Let's fill it with red. Let's fill it with red. You get, if any red candle that will just close below here, we'll say that okay, price has broken that major support and we are going to continue down. But for now, price is looking like we are heading up. So I'm going to delete most of these things and then do a new analysis. Now because this price is is reversing, I'm going to see that we had I'm going to look at another type of chart pattern that is likely to form should this one reverses up. You get, so should this one reverses back up, I'm going to remember head and shoulder pattern. You get, so we have our first shoulder here and we have a head here, and then there's going to be like second shoulder somewhere around here. So what I'm going to expect price to do is to buy up to somewhere around here. Why I said somewhere around here was because if you look at the high, we are going to draw our static resistance at that high. So let's just give it give it a different color of blue. Yeah, no, let's change it to green. Good. So I expect price to move up. Yeah, green. I expect price to move up to this level of resistance. So if price could move up to that place, I don't know how many weeks it's going to take or how many candles it's going to take, but should the market turns should the market is fast, it's going to get there in 2 to 3 weeks. You get, so if we're able to get to around 30,900 30,900 by early November or so, then we could probably start getting a reversal from here down. You get, down, you get. So what we are saying is we expect maybe price to trade up to this place. Let's give it a blue, green, and green. If price trades up to there, yeah. Oh, sorry about that. Let me come again with it, but I'm sure most of you already understood what I'm trying to do at this junction. You get, if price trades up to here, it might not be one candle, it might be just maybe two candles. You get, it might be just two candles. Then the next thing we are going to see that will happen is that, yeah, good, good. I think I've gotten the size of the candle I'm looking for. I'm sorry guys for this stress. I'm sorry for this stress. Next thing we are going to see is that price next candle is going to turn red and drop. Another one is going to drop. Remember, these ones are red, so I'm going to change it to red, change it to red. Huh? Change it to red, change it to red. You get, and that would be like head and shoulder, which might have formed. Sorry for the way I've actually placed this stuff. I'm trying to just make it easier for you people to understand the movement of the candles that I'm talking about. Movement of the candles that I'm talking about. So please, the next thing we are going to do is use an arrow to get the direction of this market. So price gets to here and we sell down. Now the reason why I'm specifying 30,900 is because that's the high of the first shoulder. You get, that's the high of this first shoulder, and should anything makes the price to maybe trade above the head, then the head and shoulder has also been will also be invalidated. So should anything makes the price trade somewhere 32k, yeah, 32k, anything that will take the price to 32k, anything that will make the price close above this red horizontal line, which is the high of the head, anything that will make the price trade above there, then it is no longer head and shoulder, and that means that this price is going to actually continue up. But once price gets to this 30,900, we should we need to start getting reversals from there if really we want the price to drop further down. You get, so that's what new analysis I'm expecting should this level fails to break by next week. You get, because this week I don't think this candle is still going to turn red. This current candle is still going to turn red this week. No. So next week, let me see what's going to happen. And I think I've spent much time in trying to explain this analysis, but my goal in the end remains that price should drop to somewhere around 15k, and below to maybe around 10k before we get proper reversal. Now, should price comes down to this place, you can switch to maybe 3 months time frame. You can switch to 3 months time frame, and that would give you something like a double bottom. That will give you something like a double bottom, and this double bottom, we get a buy. We get a buy from here and then up. So that's why I keep saying that I expect BTC to drop. I expect BTC to drop. I expect BTC to drop. Let me switch to 1 month so you see what I'm talking about in that double bottom. So you see why I expect BTC to come. Even if it doesn't, it should drop to around 15 something. It needs to come there. It needs to come there for a good demand, to get a good demand and buy up to 69, 70k after halving. So guys, that's what I expect from the market, and thank you guys for watching.